SL Pass Buffets is the Carling Knockout Cup Final. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumba Gallants 0. Mpezi out here mdana bathu Tyler T standing in for Umuruti Pope out here ka. Ngicela sihle kule game yafana kuyibona njani?
Game namhlanje be tough today mfana. Into engiyibhekileyo namhlanje iMarumba Gallants into befuna udlala counter press because they were relying too much on goods, like they were gambling on like they should take the game to it extra time so that they can win it on penalties, relying on the individual brilliance of leading Washington Narobi like kept them on the game as hard as he can. But you know, President Damo 2000, whenever there's nothing happening, he always makes something happen. He made a plan today, just like he made a plan in the previous final against Mamelodi Sundowns. Both games are quite similar. And you wanna know if there's something fun in them? I sat down and made a stat yesterday at home. You wanna know, in South Africa, there are 65 million people. And from that 65 million people, 5.4 million of them are Kaizer Chiefs fans. And there is plus 57 from Mamelodi Sundowns fans. And when you divide that by the 65 million, you take the 5.4 million and divide it by the, by the 67 million, you get 8%. You want to know what that tells you? 8% of the population of South Africa is petrol piles. Yendaba ukuthi bayaminya. Indaba yabo ukuminya. Baminyela iPirates non-stop and ayisebenzi le ndaba le. Yabona labo mama basebenza stadium. Into mele bayenze. Mele baze stadium bephethe ama-cream piles. Izokhuphula economy because Kaizer Chiefs le ndaba yokuminya izominya kube nini. Yabona iPirates currently is the leading disease in South Africa due to the
Meaning Association of South Africa.
Thank you very much. And then the word of the Lord today was that we were tested through and thick. But one thing I can tell you, Orlando Pirates was resilient through and throughout.
Thank you.
Ngicela
ungakuphazamisanga ngane mfethu. Ngiyabona la iPolokwane usuka va.
Mina ngisuka eJohannesburg, eDiepsloot.
Diepsloot. Yes. All the way from Johannesburg to Polokwane.
I always go to all these games because like watching Orlando Pirates, it's a gospel on its own.
And the Giants didn't disappoint.
And the Giants didn't disappoint. They never disappoint. Currently we have 2 titles and now we are waiting for the final title at the Betway Premiership, and we are going to take the Nedbank just for control. Abatati Lutho like South Africa.
Naganjan. So mfethu ngicela ungayi man of the match yakho today. If you are given authority, you're going to choose the man of the match. Ungayinika bani?
Hey, my man of the match today would be Washington Narobi.
Spanile ne?
Spanile Washington Narobi. Washington Narobi kept Marumba Gallants as hard as he can inside the game, because you think about it, how many saves he made, clear-cut chances, he kept on denying Orlando Pirates. So Washington Narobi is my man of the match, but at the end of the day, Orlando Pirates is the team of the day.
Thank you, Prince. Thank you, my brother.